5 is optional. If you want to use a predefined theme, you can use it. You can get that predefined theme in your material folder. It creates the material folder. Inside that predefined pre-built theme is the folder. Inside that there is a 4 themes available: indigo, pink, deep purple, pinks. Okay, different theme is available. Indigo pink, that color is mentioned that here indigo is indicate it's your primary color. Pink is indicate your accent color. Okay, same in your bootstrap also. In bootstrap also one is primary color and another is accent color. Same in Angular material also. Indigo is your primary color. It is, I think, blue format. That indigo is blue color, and pink your pink color that you mentioned that accent color. There is optional. This step is optional. Is not be use compulsory. If you want, you can use, but for the better visibility, okay, use this theme that given by that Angular material. So we can use it in style.css file that is in our global style sheet. You can just import that in our style.css. Okay, that imported your theme as well. Okay,